Okay, so continuing on, the last three parts of this question 2 in the extra tutorial sheet for Calculus 2 on limits. Initially we look at this and we'd end up with subbing in the 2 here. You can put the square root of 4 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 squared is 4, minus 4 is 0 again. So we're going to end up with a mess. So the usual way around this is, again, to multiply by the conjugate of what's above the line. Okay, we're also aware that we've got a difference of 2 squares underneath the line, so that might play a part later on. X squared minus 4 is x plus 2 by x minus 2. However, let's go ahead with this and multiply by 2 plus the square root of this over 2 plus the square root of this. Okay, so that's going to be equal to, I squared the 2's, I end up with 4. And it's going to be plus, difference of 2 squares, so it's going to be a minus x plus 2. And underneath the line I have x squared minus 4 by 2 plus root x plus 2. Okay, so above the line I end up with 4 minus x minus 2 is 2 minus x. Just make sure I have that right. A squared, b squared, yep. Okay, and below the line I have x squared minus 4. So I'm going to write that into x plus 2, x minus 2 by still this 2 plus where am I? 2 plus root x plus 2. Okay, so it's the limit as x tends towards 2. So at this stage I could okay, so I've got 2 minus x here and x minus 2 here. So I could multiply by minus 1 above and below and see if that helps. So if I times that by minus 1 above, I end up with x minus 2. And if I times it by minus 1 below, I end up with x plus 2, x minus 2, 2 plus root x plus 2. Okay, so these cancel now and I'm left with 1 on the top. So I basically got 1 over minus x minus 2 and 2 plus root x plus 2. So at the point where x equals 2, I end up with 1 over minus 4 times 2 plus the square root of 4, which is 2, which is minus 1/16. Okay, so hopefully that's right. 2, 4, it's 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. Yeah, I think it's minus 1/16. Okay, the other two here these are the usual type when it's x tends towards infinity. So usually you divide by the highest power of x above and below. So x over x plus 1 over x over x over x. Okay, well we know that's 1 plus 0 over 1, so the answer is 1. And this will be the same sort of thing here. We'll divide above and below by the 3x cubed, or the highest power of x. So we've got 3 times x cubed over x cubed minus 2 times x over x cubed. 2 times x cubed over x cubed plus 3 over x cubed. So obviously that's going to be 3 minus x over x cubed is the same thing as 1 over x squared, and once you've got the higher power it just becomes a 0, and 2 times 1 plus 0, so the answer is 3 over 2. So hope that's all good.